The liver is a large organ in the right upper side of your abdominal cavity, and it is protected by your rib cage. It serves several functions including homeostasis. In this lesson, we'll learn what these functions are. First, let's look at the structure of the reddish-brown liver. The liver has two distinct lobes, the right and left lobes. Each lobe is in turn composed of several smaller lobules. Under the liver is the gallbladder, which opens into the bile duct that eventually empties into the small intestine. The liver is supplied by several blood vessels. Notably, the liver is supplied by two distinct blood vessels, the hepatic artery, which supplies the liver oxygenated blood from the heart, and the hepatic portal vein, which supplies the liver with nutrient-rich blood from the digestive tract. So the liver holds substantial amounts of blood at any given time. The blood leaving the digestive system, specifically from the stomach and intestines, is delivered through the hepatic portal vein to the liver. The liver then breaks down several nutrients and drug substances within the supplied blood into simpler forms for body use. The liver also helps regulate the level of nutrients in blood. This is a major homeostatic function as it helps regulate or maintain the concentration of several substances within the body. Soon, we'll learn how the liver helps control or regulate the body's glucose, protein, and lipid levels. The liver also breaks down toxic products into non-toxic forms that can be excreted from the body. This is called detoxification or detoxication. For example, the liver converts poisonous ammonia generated as a result of protein metabolism to a less toxic urea, which is excreted in urine. The liver plays an important role in the production of red blood cells, especially in fetuses, those are unborn babies. The liver also helps break down old or abnormal red blood cells and excretes the bilirubin resulting from the breakdown into bile and urine. The liver stores iron gotten from red blood cell breakdown in large amounts. It also stores fat-soluble vitamins A, D, E, and K, as well as the water-soluble vitamin B12. Several essential proteins like albumin, fibrinogen, and prothrombin are manufactured in the liver. Fibrinogen and prothrombin are involved in blood clotting. The liver also helps inactivate hormones like insulin, thereby ending their effects. We'll learn about insulin in later lessons. Very importantly, the liver produces bile, which is stored and concentrated in the gallbladder. Bile is a pigment that helps in the emulsification or breakdown of fats in the small intestine. Bile also takes waste away from the liver. Because the liver is supplied by a large network of blood vessels, it functions as a store for significant amounts of blood. That's a lot. So that does it for the important functions of the large reddish-brown liver. Now, I'm sure you appreciate your liver for all the work it does. Yet, that's not all about the liver and homeostasis. In subsequent lessons, we'll be looking at specific examples of its role in homeostasis. Stay around.